Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be making dairy and egg free brownies, which is vegetarian and vegan friendly. First, we're going to mix hemp, chia seeds and flax meal together with half a cup of almond milk. Mix a little bit until thickened and set aside. Then we're gonna incorporate our oil together with our sugar. So I heated up my oil in the microwave for like a minute or two, just so it's nice and warm, and it will be able to melt the sugar when it's mixed together. Once that is all mixed together, we are going to place in our hemp, chia seeds and flax meal that we set aside before. Mix it together with our sugar and oil. While mixing that all together, add in a tablespoon of your vanilla extract. Once it's all mixed together, we're going to add in our coconut powder or coconut flour slowly into it until it's all combined. Then we are adding in our plain flour in slowly and mixing it in together until it is all mixed up. If you find it hard to stir in this process of putting in all the flour and mixture, always remember you got half a cup of almond milk, which you can slowly pour in just to soften and make it easier to stir. Then add in your teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt, and then mix it all in together. Then we're going to add in our cocoa powder. This is not unsweetened because I couldn't find one which is dairy free. So this is pure cocoa powder, and mix that all in together with the leftover almond milk that you have. It is really hard to stir. It's because of the alternative of the eggs that we have is hemp, flax and chia powder or meal, which replaces the eggs to make it more thick. And because it's winter here, the consistency starts to go hard as soon as it absorbs all of that milk. So that's why it's really, really sticky. Once you manage to get all of the other ingredients mixed together, we can add in our nuts. So this is optional. You can add chocolate chips or whatever you like to have in there. I like nuts because it just goes with the chocolate. So just break them into small pieces, and then we're gonna mix that all together again. So while you are preparing your ingredients and mixing it all together, preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius on fan force, and also prepare a baking pan with a parchment paper or baking paper over it. Once you got the brownie mixture in your pan, smoothen it out to make it all equal to all sides, and make sure there's no air left on the corners so that it is going to be equally all cooked, rather than one spot will be burnt or undercooked. Then this is ready to go in the oven on the top rack. Hey Google, set timer for 37 minutes, please.
37 minutes, and we're starting now.
A few inches later.
After taking out the oven, set it aside for 15 minutes just to cool down before start cutting. You might see here that it doesn't look like brownies but looks like blackies because it looks burnt, but I can assure you it's not burnt as long as you don't go over 40 minutes in the oven. I'm pretty sure it doesn't go black. I would suggest that you cut it when it's totally cooled down so it doesn't stick to the knife, and as well as it doesn't fall apart because it's still warm. So there you guys have it. You got egg-free, dairy-free, and vegetarian and vegan friendly brownies. I do hope you like this video, and I hope to see you soon. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mmm.